This is where the Easter weekend or week's holiday starts. Kathleen's in the kitchen. All the shops are shut.
All the food.
We've got the food. Look at this. Beautiful. Now down the corridor, the bags. These are all the light bags. All the big stuffs, all the toys are going on soon. We're already in the garage. There you go, that only took about 15 seconds of film. It took all last night and all this morning to prepare to get everything ready for our 1 week holiday. Up to Redhead we're going to, aren't we, darling?
Yes.
It's just past Foster. 3 hours drive from Sydney.
Yep. Cool.
Everything's done on the list?
Yep.
Ready. Next step, garage. There you go. 10 days. Thank God we're not going on a plane. 10 days. Look at the back of the car. Next thing, stand-up paddleboard and the bikes. Next stage, bike racks on. It's certainly is stages, darling, isn't it?
Oh yeah, you gotta do it little bit by little bit. Alright. And here we are with the expert, Kim Hewitt, tying on
This is
stand-up paddleboard.
so whole day's
Oh, sorry. Bike one.
Oh. Bike one, on. Paddleboard, on. Ready? Bike two. There you go, the final little things before we go. Kathleen's just locking the locks onto the bikes.
Look.
Locking the trailer onto the car. Got locks for everything. Beautiful. And that's it. We're ready to go, darling.
Okay.
We are ready to go. Yay!
Okay.
Yeah. Easter Friday. And everybody's already gone on holidays. We look like we're the last ones going north. It's very exciting, isn't it, darling?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Okay, we're 2 hours in. We've only really done, how far would you say, darling? 100k?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Well, it's been a traffic jam the whole way. But this is what the Pacific Highway looks like. It's beautiful, isn't it? Nice clear roads. Oh, I'm saying it's beautiful now because there's no traffic jam. I mightn't say that in 5 minutes' time.
Quite a bit of traffic.
Darling, it's wonderful. It's very relaxing.
It is. Doing very well.
Not stressing out about how much time it takes.
No.
When we get there, we'll get there.
Exactly. We're enjoying the journey. Exactly.
Where are we now? Is this Newcastle?
Yeah, we're crossing the Hunter River.
It's gorgeous.
Across the Hunter River there.
2 hours in and it's stop, rest, revive, survive. And here we got little Lions Club that provide free coffee, all volunteer service, just fantastic. And this mob, they do bacon and egg sandwiches. Absolutely lovely. 2 hours, stop, drive, revive. There's the sign over there. And survive. Beautiful.
Showers.
A few rain showers. 5k away. It's lovely. It's just beautiful, isn't it, darling?
Yeah, gorgeous.
All that nice farmland out there. This is always the most exciting part of, well, one of the most exciting parts about a holiday. Arriving at the location. And this land looks gorgeous. Okay, we've officially hit Redhead, haven't we, darling?
Yes.
This looks lovely.
Down Redhead Road, see where we go. There's a bit of ocean over there. See the ocean.
This is interesting. We haven't got any Wi-Fi's. We don't know where the street is.
Zen navigation.
We did Zen navigation. Well, we know it's down near the beach, don't we?
Yeah.
Wow, this is lovely up here, isn't it? First look at the place. Isn't that beautiful? Darling, should I open the gate so we can drive in?
Yes, that would be lovely.
Oh,
I'll get out, open the gate, and then you can drive in. How's that? And then I can film you driving in. Wouldn't that be wonderful?
she's only saying that because she doesn't want to drive in.
This is so lovely.
That's gorgeous, isn't it?
And there's Frida there to greet us.
Oh, that's Frida, is it?
Yeah, Frida Kahlo. Yeah. It's so nice. Oh,
This is gorgeous.
right.
Cows out the back so you can get some fresh milk. This is just absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Hi, Nickhouse.
Hi, how you going?
Hi, how's it going? Hello. Hello. Hi.
How nice is this? So So if you like this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll check in the next one. This is sensational. Summer on the beach. Winter on the beach, actually.